This is a special user testing hack of the week. I'm calling a hack anything that is a misuse of a designed element in user testing to get some benefit in another way. Today, we're hacking the verbal question so that we can generate output in ways that were never designed to be verbal questions. If you're testing mobile apps, you know that when you use the task element, which is typically what we use to ask someone to do something, to take an action so that we can observe it in a website, a prototype, a mobile app, or even in real life, you are going to get certain output. If it's a website or a prototype, you're going to get an interactive path flow. If it is a real life experience or a mobile app, you're just going to get video playback. And that's why I've hacked the verbal question. I use the verbal question for all kinds of activities when I know there's an emotional component and I'm not going to be able to get any kind of other visual. You can see right here that I've got a verbal question that's being used to ask people to review their charging history inside this electric vehicle management app to see that it's accurate. If I'd used a task in the test plan builder, I would only get this very simple video playback for my 3 participants. But I used a verbal question because I wanted to be able to tell at a glance, how did they feel about the process of checking their charging history? Was it accurate? Now, this is such a richer visualization. It is the absolute perfect use of a verbal question in a situation when we're not actually asking a verbal question. Which is better, getting just 3 video playback options or being able to see at a glance right here, first look in 1 second or less, that clearly these 3 contributors did not like the process of reviewing their charging history. So this is a perfect example of where you've taken the verbal question, used it in a different place, and gotten a fantastic result. This hack of the verbal question is perfect for so many things. I highly recommend it. And please, if you are testing mobile apps, start using the verbal question more liberally. You are going to thank me for it. I'm Mike McDowell from the Solutions Consulting team here at UserTesting, bringing you this very special hack of the week. But don't worry, I'll be back again on Tuesday with my normal content, the User Testing Tip of the Week, second in our series on live, in-person, real-world experience testing and all about how to recruit. I'll see you then.